Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to deposit money on Binance. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to deposit crypto or just try speaking here, funds that you could use inside the platform, well, this one is quite easy. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the Binance app here and just log in into your account. Now, at the bottom right of your screen, you should see assets. Let's go ahead and just click on assets. And it should redirect you to your wallet. Now from here, you want to go and just choose the option that says add funds that you see at the top left of your screen. So if you click on it, it should give you a number of options. So if you want to deposit crypto, like for example, if you want to see the actual address for certain cryptos or your cryptos and receive crypto directly to your account, you go and choose deposit crypto. Now if you want to receive via Binance Pay, you go and just receive from other users that are using Binance as well. So if you want to basically make a direct transfer from other Binance users, but you could also use what we call buy with whatever currency you have. So in my case, I have PHP. So if you choose buy with PHP here, it should allow you to start buying whatever assets that you want to buy in here. So for example, you can go and just indicate the currency that you want to use. You can change this to whatever you want: USD, AD, AMD, AOA, anything that you want. And also, it should give you how much it's actually or how much it actually is worth in let's just say USD. So it's going to just include like 1,000 PHP, which is around like 15 USD as of this moment. Now, at the bottom section, you should have the option to change what you want to buy. So if you just want to like have it directly into your account, USDT is a stable coin, so you can go and use that as a means of buying. So it's, again, stable coin doesn't change much. And also you have the payment method here, which is bank transfer. You can go and choose whichever option you want. So you could use an e-wallet, Gcash, Cia Bank, depends on your current country or where you are. The options that you may be seeing here may differ. So in this case, you go and choose either one. So let's go and choose card. Click on confirm. And you go and click on preview order here and just follow the on-screen steps. And that includes providing the payment details, the details of your card, or involve you basically logging into your bank account via the platform. But in this case, that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.